Hey guys, do y'all know how stinking easy it is to add an Amazon affiliate link to your content? I'm not sure if you know that or not. It's really easy. So once you've already signed up for the Amazon Associates program, so that's what they call their affiliate program, Amazon Associates. This is their URL, affiliate-program. Anyways, once you're signed up for that, I'll just let you see that website so you can see it. Okay. So once you're signed up for Amazon Associates, when you're logged in to Amazon, they now have this toolbar at the top. And they've had it for a while, but they didn't originally have it. It's something newer that when you're just personally on Amazon looking for items, you can insanely easy add a link. And so they've made it easier to promote products, right? So I made this video on YouTube for the Blue Yeti mic. So let's just look it up. So let me look it up. So I already added a link to my to this YouTube video, but I'm going to show you. But let's say I also want to add one for this condenser small microphone here. Okay, so it's $40. Let's say I'm talking about it. So I go to it. Here it is. Here's the link to the product. All I have to do is say get link, and what I want to do is get a text link, right? So just get an actual, just a URL that I'm going to send people to. When I click that, what you get is this. It gives you the link. So all you have to do is copy that link and paste it where you want. So I have this video here that I just made on YouTube where I'm talking about the Blue Yeti microphone, okay? But what I can do is I can edit that video, and I've already put these links right here. But let's say I wanted to add the snowball ice video. I mean the snowball ice condenser, this mic, right? So all I have to do is go to the description and add it here. Paste that link that I just copied. Save the changes. That affiliate link is now linked to my account to this product. So if someone goes to it, they like it, they purchase it, I get paid for that, get paid a commission. That's how stinking easy that Amazon has made their affiliate program. Really smart on their part because they want to remove all friction of having you refer products and services and being a part of their program. So they've made it insanely easy. That's it. That's a simple step. Just get signed up for their program. Then when you're on Amazon, you can search for products and services. Just copy the link that you want on the product and promote it. Promote it to your friends. Promote it to your audience. That's it. Take care. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Please, if you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you'd like to get more videos like this from me. You can even hit the little bell notification icon to actually get notified every time those videos come out. And so I believe that life and business is one great adventure, and I would really love to journey that with you. So I think that we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. So below in the description, you'll find some links, a couple of resources, a couple of free ebooks, ways to make money online, as well as how to connect with me. And I would also love for you guys to pop a comment down below. I'd really love to keep in touch with you. Take care.